Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mommy Babs for the ones that do not know. Thank you guys for coming in here to hang out with me. And today, you guys, I'm basically doing the let's do that over. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mommy Babs for the ones that do not know. Thank you guys for coming in here to hang out with me. And if you're new, make sure you guys let me know that you guys are new in the comments. Comment down below, and so I can welcome you to the BabsFam. Yay! So today, you guys, I have some kimchi right here, and I'm doing the challenge. I was tagged by 7LexFairy and Funko Pop Ohana. Thank you for letting me know that I was tagged in this niceness. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open this. I have it open already just a little bit. I'm already not liking the smell right now. So give me 1 second, you guys. Let me go ahead and do that. If you hear anything in the background, my husband is talking to my kids. My kids are doing their thing. He doing it. Yeah, but anyways. Oh my God, why is it sizzling like that though? Why is it sizzling like that? Why is this thinking? Yeah, excuse my shirt. I just did a video. Make sure you guys check out that video whenever I let it out. It's going to be chicken with rotisserie. You'll see the same color shirt on. You'll know which one I'm talking about. Oh my God, why is it doing that? I see people make it look like it's good. I don't know about this, y'all. Why is it sizzling? Is it supposed to sizzle? What's in here? Y'all, this is supposed to sizzle like that? Yeah, I been bought this. I just supposed to been did this, but I'm just not doing it. Oh my God. I know it's cabbage, but hopefully it's not a certain amount I need to try. But I'm just gonna do that and just leave it at that, if that's okay. 7LexFairy. So this is the 7LexFairy kimchi challenge. I don't know who I need to tag, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can here to do this, and hopefully I probably tag the right people. Let me go ahead and set my tag right now so I can go ahead and because I'm gonna pray over this. Why the train always gotta come when I gotta do something? Not somebody on YouTube. So yeah, I'm up here thinking it's my son by the door because they playing YouTube. They still playing YouTube. And tell me why it was my daughter, and she was just standing there the whole time by the door. And then my husband came back here and he was like, ew. I said, why, it's stinky here? He was like, yeah. Yeah, is it supposed to smell like that though? Like, it don't stink real bad, but it's like, I don't know. Anyways, so the people I'm going to tell you guys, or Queen of Trades, Yummylicious, Let's see. Miss T. Miss T, I'm gonna put your channel name down at the bottom. Just charge it to my mind, not my heart. But I know your name, but I don't want to say it wrong, so I'm not gonna say it out. I'm just gonna put it right here, okay? But I think Rosai Lollipop had to do hers already. I'm just gonna do it again. Rosai Lollipop. And ZsaZsa. I think that's only her name, but if not, then I'm gonna put her name right here. Whoever name I don't say, like, because I know people by their names, and then I own, like, you know, short names. So yeah. So that's about it. How many people was that? Okay. Yeah, I think there were 5. Either way. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this because it's already been long enough anyway. I'm going to pray over this, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. If you hear something in the background, I'm sorry. My son's up here playing something, and I just have to go with the flow, you know what I mean? As long as there ain't nothing that give me copyright, I'm good. So let's go ahead and do that before he do put it on something that's copyrighted. Thank God for this food. May it nourish our bodies, that it doesn't harm our body. May it be very tasteful in a good way. And thank you for everything you have done. Please bless us right now, Lord, and bless this food here. Amen. Yeah, I had to say that prayer a little bit slow because I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm gonna be sick, but I'm not trying. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to disrespect nobody. I just don't like the smell. I think I need to just close my nose a little bit or something. All right, here we go. Alright, so I see why the this red pepper place is spicy. Yeah, I don't know what that taste is, but I know it's basically like pickled, fix it, Jesus, fix it. It's pickled cabbage, but it has like some type of little fuzz too. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not trying to disrespect nobody, but I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna just try it again. I don't know. Something must be wrong. I must did something wrong. Did I supposed to put it in the fridge when I first got it? Cause it wasn't in the fridge when I bought it. Perishable, keep refrigerated. Contents may overflow due to natural ferment. That's why it's doing that. It's the ingredients: snapper cabbage, garlic, green onions, hot pepper, sugar, salt, paprika, and ginger. This should taste good. Then why doesn't? Nope. Is it because it's raw problem? Is that raw cabbage? Is it raw cabbage? I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm gonna have to do my research. And I record my phone, so I can't do my research with y'all. But if I do my research after this, I will put that. Oh, okay, I picked the spicy kind. Is there a different kind? I don't know. Leave a comment down below, y'all. So I didn't swallow any, so it shouldn't mess up my stomach or anything too much. But that was it was okay. I couldn't keep eating it. It was a fail. I'm sorry. I don't know. Maybe if I eat it with something and probably kind of like cover it. I should have probably ate it with the chicken a while ago. Yeah. Sorry this is a fail, you guys. Well, I don't know. I did try it. Isn't that what I'm supposed to do? No, I'm supposed to eat it. Oh. Okay. I'm going to take one for the team. I'm going to take one for the team. I got this. I got this. Maybe if I do this. Can I do this? I'm going to just do this. Alright, I'm done. No more. No more. Nope, no more. Alright, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, I understand. Go ahead and thumbs down. I understand. I really do. I understand. But make sure you guys go check out 7LexFairy. This is her challenge. Make sure you go check out those people I also named in this video. Those are the people that have been supporting me. And I want to make sure that we, as a BabsFam, support each other in another way that YouTube won't try to take it away from them. Even if you gotta go make sure you add them to your playlist. What I do is I add people to my playlist. Once I add them to my playlist, I won't ever lose them. So even if I just have to go back on one of their videos, one day, that's not the day I met them. I go on videos one day and I'll be like, hey, nice meeting you and stuff like that, or hey, how you doing and stuff like that. Then sometimes they find their way back to me, you know, stuff like that. But make sure you guys show love to these people. They are very awesome people. They have a good heart, as I have seen. They haven't portrayed any different. They are some good mukbangers and also some good challengers, and also just very good people in general. So I want to make sure I shout those people out. There are a few more that I want to also shout out, and I will do that in another video, because you guys have been really showing real good love to me, and I really appreciate it. You didn't have to. So yeah, I wonder, should I make a challenge to my friend? Oh, and I want to tag my bestie Ayonnaz Glam. I don't know if she's gonna come out and do this, but she hasn't on YouTube in a while, but she travels a lot with her husband. Last they were in Italy, but this time they're back in Louisiana for a little while until they go somewhere else like Japan or something like that. But yeah, so I want to tag her too, Ayonnaz Glam. Make sure you guys go check out. She's featured on my channel, so make sure you can find it there. And I'm probably gonna start doing that. As people that basically support me, I'm gonna start featuring them on my channel. I'll probably start doing that. Like have a little section for them, and also do like shout out days or something like that for those people that's always showing me love. Most of the time they always showing me love, so I want to make sure I do that to give back to my people. I know they are stopping doing giveaways, but maybe we can come out with like a little clue word to the giveaways. We can do bad ways, or Bab gives. No, that's too. Bad prize. we're gonna do bad prize. So that sounds better, or just leave a comment down below, hashtag whichever one you want to do, and I think that will probably be with the name that we'll go with. So just pick either or, Babs prize, Babs away, or Babs away. But it's kind of like giving it, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that, because YouTube is changing a lot. They actually don't want us to kind of support each other. They want people just to find us. But if we going out and trying to communicate with people, how in the world do they expect us to kind of get people sometimes, you know what I mean, or keep people? So for them to take people away, that's I know I just did that in front of y'all, but I don't care, because y'all see my real hair. Oh, look at that, I got kimchi in my head. Or is that chicken? Either way. But yeah. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, like I said before, we're BabsFam, and most of the people that's in my comments, I don't leave comments down there if they're like spam or anything like that. But most people that's always in my comments, and you see me like interacting with them like a lot, and you see them mostly in there, those are the ones that we want to make sure we support, because they support me, and I know for sure they'll come and support you. So, but yeah, I hope everyone have a good rest of your day. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell, or you won't know if I make a new video. If you don't do it, then YouTube won't let you know. So make sure you guys hit that bell. And also, make sure you guys leave a comment down below if you have any challenges that you know that I could do, like any single challenges, not anything too too wild, but I will try to do the best I can to get those challenges taken care of, because I'm trying to keep up with the ones I already kind of have right now. But I don't mind looking into them, you know what I mean? But yeah, and I also will be starting another starting one too, but I will let you guys know more about that. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, love and peace and laughter is very important. Make sure you guys share that love with everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I said that so wrong, I'm sorry. But I was gonna say, make sure you guys go show love to those people that I was telling you about. But I love you guys. Thank you so much. Mwah.